Topic of presentation is pollution. Pollution is nothing but the excessive addition of undesirable substance or unwanted foreign matter into the environment, thereby adversely altering the natural quality of environment and causing damage to humans, plant or animal life. Pollutants means nothing but the undesirable substance or unwanted foreign matter added into the environment. There are various causes of pollution like uncontrolled growth in human population, rapid industrialization, deforestation, natural phenomena like radioactivity, volcano eruption, strong winds, forest fires, etc. Sometimes pollution occur due to some accident and pollution cause is called accidental pollution. For example, tragedy in Bhopal, 3rd of December 1984 due to toxic methyl isocyanate leak from Unium Carbide factory. Now let us discuss various types of pollution. First is air pollution. Addition of foreign matter to the air, thereby altering natural quality of air and causes damage to life exist on earth is known as air pollution. There are various causes like vehicle exhaust, forest fire, volcano eruption, burning of fossil fuels, etc. Now, which are the adverse effects? Smog increases, then higher rain acidity, global warming, and high rate of asthma. Second type is water pollution. Any contaminated water due to addition of chemical particulate or bacterial matter that degrades the water quality and purity is known as water pollution. There are various causes like increased sedimentation from soil erosion, improper waste disposal, organic material decay in water supplies. Now, which are the effects? It decreases the quality of drinkable water available, lowering water supply for crop irrigation and impacting fish and wildlife population that require water of certain purity for survival. Next type of pollution is a soil pollution. It is contamination of the soil that prevents natural growth and balance in the land, whether it is used for cultivation, habitation or a wildlife. There are various causes like preserved hazardous waste and sewage spills, non-sustainable farming practices like the heavy use of inorganic pesticides, deforestation and other destructive practices, household dumping, etc. There are various effects of soil pollution. It leads to poor growth and reduced crop yield, loss of wildlife habitat, water and visual pollution, desertification, etc. Next type of pollution is a noise pollution. It refers to undesirable level of a noise caused by human activity that disturb the standard of living in the affected area. Causes are traffic, airports, railroads, manufacturing plants, construction, etc. There are various effects of noise pollution like hearing loss, wildlife disturbances, etc. Next type of pollution is a radioactive pollution resulting from 20th century activity in atomic physics such as nuclear power generation and nuclear weapons research. Next type of pollution is a thermal pollution. It is a temperature change in natural bodies caused by human influence such as use of water as a coolant in a power plant. Our next point is classification of air pollutant. On the basis of physical state, pollutants are classified as gaseous pollutant and particulate pollutants. As you know, gases means nothing but which usually get mixed with air but do not settle out. Example of gaseous pollutants are SO2, SO3, CO2 gas, carbon monoxide that is CO, H2S, HF, etc. Whereas particulates means nothing but which usually get mixed with air and settle out. Examples are dust, smoke, smog, lead, mercury, cadmium, etc. According to origin, pollutants are classified as primary air pollutant and secondary air pollutant. Primary air pollutant means those pollutants which are emitted directly into the atmosphere and remains as such. For example, if NO2 is released, then it remains as such in the atmosphere. Whereas secondary air pollutants are those which are derived from the primary pollutants. For example, oxides of nitrogen and hydrocarbon in presence of sunlight forms a pollutant, that is photochemical smog. So it is obtained or derived from oxides of nitrogen and hydrocarbon, that's why it is a secondary air pollutant. According to chemical composition, pollutants are classified as organic pollutant. Examples are hydrocarbons, aldehydes, ketones, amines, etc. And inorganic pollutant. Examples are carbon compounds like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen compound like NO, NH3, sulfur compounds like SO2, SO3, H2S, halogen compounds like HCl, HF, inorganic particles like dust, ash, silica, etc.
Thank you for watching this video.